Wondering where your save files are for Getting Over It with Bennett Foddy from AnkerGames? Let's take a quick look. First, make sure you launch Getting Over It with Bennett Foddy and create at least one save. This ensures the game generates the save folder on your PC. All games on AnkerGames store their save files locally. This means your progress in Getting Over It with Bennett Foddy is safe, even if you reinstall the game or the launcher. I'll show you exactly where the save files for Getting Over It with Bennett Foddy are stored. These paths are only for games from AnkerGames. Saves from other sources might be in different locations. You can easily back up the Getting Over It with Bennett Foddy save files by copying the folder. Store it on a USB or cloud drive, and you can restore it anytime. And that's it. Your Getting Over It with Bennett Foddy saves from AnkerGames are local, safe, and easy to manage. Follow for more tips on getting the most out of your games.